Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti FTW Ultra graphics cards. So yeah, we finally managed to get hold of the GeForce RTX 3070 Ti, and this one's from EVGA, and our reviewer Chris from the US managed to get hold of one, and we'll be doing a quick unboxing and taking a look at how it performs. But first off, let's take a look at the specifications. The GeForce RTX 3070 Ti is NVIDIA's latest addition to their RTX 30 series. This is one of two versions. They also have the RTX 3080 Ti and the RTX 3070 Ti, and this is the one that we'll be taking a look. This GPU comes with a total of 6,144 CUDA cores and operates on a boost frequency of 1860 MHz. It also comes with 8 GB of GDDR6X RAM on a 256-bit memory bus, giving you a total memory bandwidth of 608 gigabits per second. And of course, it supports PCIe 4 as well as EVGA's ICX3 cooling technology. And yes, ARGB, full on ARGB. I can't wait for Chris to put this into his test rig and see how it performs against other RTX graphics cards that he's tested in the past. So let's get cracking and do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's begin the unboxing of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti FTW Ultra graphics card. It's quite a big box, and let's have a look inside, see what we have. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's open this box and see what we have inside. Alright, here we go. Some nice foam packaging there. And that's the graphics card. What do we have here? The instruction manual. Oh, there's a badge too. There's the EVGA badge. Okay, very nice. It's a nice EVGA badge for your chassis. Okay, let's take a look at the graphics card itself. Here's the nice anti-static wrapping. Alright. I like the anti-static wrapping. It's got the EVGA logo on the wrapping there. Alright, here we go. Quite a chunky card, quite hefty. You can see a nice big heatsink, 2 8-pin PCIe power. There's the RGB strip with the EVGA logo. Three fans, very nice. And this is part of the ICX3 cooling technology there. Got a couple of fan headers there, RGB headers. It's a copper plate with heat pipes. Yep, we gotta do the peeling of the plastic cover and protection there. There you go. And one more. Alright, notice the back plate there. It's got some nice cooling vents there, and you've got the 3 big fans there for your cooling. Very nice. EVGA logo. And here we go, we have 6 heat pipes, and you also have OC mode and normal mode as well. And the EVGA LED strip at the top there, very nice. Alright, let's put this into our test system. It takes up 2.5 PCI slots, so it's quite a big card. Let's switch it on. Here we go, some nice RGB going on there. The EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti FTW3 Ultra runs at a default boost speed of 1860 MHz, and it's worth mentioning that this card routinely runs at over 1950 MHz at default settings. These are awesome speeds right out of the box. I was able to overclock the card further to a whopping 2115 MHz, but don't forget to add the power target in the Precision X1 tuning software. So in conclusion, the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti FTW3 Ultra is one cool looking card. It offers excellent performance and overclocks really well. The card features the ICX cooling technology, so don't be afraid to throw in a few megahertz at it when you overclock. And on top of that, the RGB only adds to the coolness of the card. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti FTW Ultra graphics cards. It offers amazing performance as well as excellent overclocking ability. And of course you get all the benefits of EVGA's ICX3 cooling technology, and you get the ARGB too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.